In this video we will learn how to generate a remote work request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Now, click on the attendance module on top navigation bar. So here you can see remote work request form. Click on the Add New Request button to add a new remote work request. Next, select an employee whose remote work requisition is to be generated. Select the date and then enter the required in and out time. Add a reason before submitting the request. You can attach document as per your requirement. Click on a Submit button to submit your request. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.